Hi, this is Ken at Dripping Auto Pros in Dripping Springs, Texas. Today, we're doing a maintenance wash on a 2022 GMC Yukon Denali, and you're not going to believe what you're going to see. First thing we do on a maintenance wash is rinse the vehicle, and that's all we've done here. We've taken the pressure washer and rinsed this off. Look at the water beading. This is SystemX MAX. It's a lifetime warranty on this coating. It was installed November 2021, and it is beading just like it did the day it was coated. It's unbelievable. This car got clean simply by rinsing it. Now, we did wash it, but just spraying it got it clean. If you want to get the best ceramic coating for your vehicle, look no further. Come to Dripping Auto Pros in Dripping Springs, Texas, and get our Platinum package with SystemX MAX. You'll be happy that you did.